If you're anything like me, okay, you probably overestimated how much cold brew you needed. Right there, that's 1 gallon, right there. I made 5 of these suckers for an event, and only 1 gallon got drank. I'm going to show you what to do with it according to Google. Let's get started. For this recipe of cold brew, it took about 5 pounds of coffee to make 5 gallons of it. And if you're tracking with me, that's about 1 pound per gallon. Crazy. So what do we do with it? Well, you could turn it into ice cubes, and then find out that doesn't really do anything. You know what I mean? So not really worth it. You're going to dirty an ice tray, and you're going to feel high and dry. You're going to go to prom with no date. Okay, it's an expression. Just shut up. Google says if you take about 1 cup of cold brew, half a cup of milk, kind of seems like a lot. No? Then that leaves you with this. And that's good. That's fine. You know what I mean? But, if I did cater your event, your wedding, whatever it is, and you're left with 5 gallons, you can only do this so much every day before you lose it and you start seeing colors. You know what I mean? Google suggests doing a salted caramel cold brew cold foam. 2 tablespoons of caramel drizzle. That's 1. That's 2 if you're counting. We just add that to our cup. That's already better. It's about exploration. Okay, we're the Christopher Columbus of the coffee world. We're trying to find the big stone that we're going to turn into a landmark. It's going to really underwhelm a lot of tourists. It's just to add a little bit of sea salt to your cold foam. Okay. I don't know. If you have one of these suckers, great. It's going to make your life a lot easier. You could use a fork. That would take a while. Wow. Looking great. It's kind of hard to mess that up. Okay. Ask me before we make cold brew for your event, but if you just kind of want to have some left over, because you just want some after the occasion, a little honeymoon cold brew, a little wake up your boo, make some cold brew. So there we go. There's recipe 1 done of what to do whenever you have 5 gallons of cold brew.